Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on System. Here we have to tap on About Phone, and now we have to find very special build number, which is actually at the very bottom of the list, and all you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now. As you can see, we just activated a developer mode, so we can go back. And right above the About Phone, we've got new option, Developer Options, so let's tap on it. And here we've got a lot of advanced settings which you can customize. So for example, you can set Stay Awake, so the screen will never sleep while charging. You can, for example, check system tracing. You can show visual feedback for tabs. You can show pointer location, layout bounds. You can change the window animation scale. Actually a lot of advanced options which we can customize. Obviously, if you'd like to turn something on, just tap on the switcher on it, and I hope that you can see it. As you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this switcher again. I know that you can see the option without the switcher, for example, like here in a transition animation scale, but no worries, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and here you've got much more advanced settings. Okay, so if you are done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, let's tap on the switcher right here. As you can see, all the options are inactive, and after getting back, you can see that the developer options simply disappears. But no worries, of course, if you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.